Right out our front door is the geranium, and we can see how beautiful it is. And the caladium, such gorgeous colors in that caladium. Got a fall color leaf. Let's get rid of that. Brennera still doing good. And of course the ferns take a beating. We've had such hot weather, and every year they turn brown in late August and early September. Snapdragons are doing really good. I put these in about 3 weeks ago. That has to be hand watered. I cut back the moonflower. The asters are looking very nice. This hanging pot has been a treat. The Shasta daisies in the middle have come and gone and come and gone, but the greenery still looks really good. And if you look closely, it looks like there's something budding up still. And the apple tree is dropping apples. So some of them are a pretty good size. The coleus is still looking good. That has been a really good decision, planting coleus in this area. Controls the weeds and looks beautiful. And the lacy maple is turning colors. You can see here how gorgeous that color is. And it's that time of year. We got our wood delivered so we can have some lovely fires during the winter. And got over there, we've got a possum. Nope. Groundhog. He's a robber of the garden. I'm not pleased to see him. We need to set a trap for him. I know that people say how lovely the garlic chives are, but I've got to tell you, they seed everywhere. So you're going to get them, make sure you know that. Time to cut the peonies back and free up this quick fire hydrangea. It's going to bloom again. It's doing really well in spite of the neglect I've given it this summer. And the mums are coming in. They will be blooming shortly. But this is pretty much a disaster. But one does what one can. Another good decision was planting these dahlias in pots behind here. I really enjoyed them. It's kind of held back the comfrey, but there's no holding back comfrey. If it wants to grow, it'll grow. I do use it as a cut and mulch, and that's been good. You can see here, creates a path. Same thing with this horseradish plant. But some things need to be trimmed and cut back. Got a beautiful rosemary still hanging in there. I'm going to see if I can bring that in and winter it. Shasta daisies could be cut back. Here's the butterfly bush. I wasn't sure was going to make it. Doing great. Peonies have powdery mildew. We've had such hot weather. And we have been blessed with rain. Mandevilla is still gorgeous. So these peonies need to be cut back and neem oil applied. We did trim the variegated willow. It is showing variegations. But because of the way the limbs work, they're so bendable. Trying to do it with a hedge trimmer, it does more of a shredding than actually clipping. Still got some goodies growing here in the veggie garden. Celery looks good. I've been harvesting that, using the leaves and drying them, making wonderful celery salt with it. Here are the peppers. We've had a couple of cool nights, so that probably has stopped them from doing as good as they could. But there's still some good looking peppers if this warm weather keeps up. That kale coming here. And I don't know if we'll ever get any squash. I did get one zucchini, but it doesn't look like any more are coming.